Wireless charging not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max, it stops wireless charging randomly, or the charging is really slow, then follow these simple rules to fast charge your iPhone 17 wirelessly using MagSafe or any other wireless chargers. First of all, you need to pay attention if the wireless charger is positioned properly. For example, as you can see here, even though the MagSafe charger is attached to our iPhone, we can easily move it around, which means it's not seated properly, and this will give you slow charging or it won't charge at all. So what you gotta do is find the spot where the charging puck snaps to the magnets, and now even if you pull hard, you'll see it won't come off easily. Now wireless charging should work. In case it's still not charging, then what you need to try is unplugging the power adapter and attach the wireless charger to your iPhone first. Then plug the adapter back in. Now your iPhone should start charging, and it frequently happens if you're using a third-party wireless charger or a charging brick. Speaking of which, you should always choose either a MagSafe charger and for third parties, Qi-certified wireless chargers. But not that, you'll get 7.5 watts of charging using third-party chargers, whereas MagSafe will start from 15 watts. And the charging adapter that you're using is more important when it comes to wireless charging. If you use a 20 watts charger, then your iPhone can charge at a maximum of 15 watts speed. And if you use a charger that's 30 watts or higher, then your iPhone 17 will be able to utilize the maximum of 25 watts fast charging. If you're not sure whether your charger is fast enough or not, don't worry. Your iPhone itself will tell you that you're using a slow charger. In this case, make sure to pick a high-quality charger and not something flimsy or off-brand. Always look for certifications. And if the wireless charger is powered via a detachable cable, they should also use a high-quality cable that supports fast charging and not worn out. Now, if you're still having trouble wirelessly charging your iPhone 17, then some third-party cases can also cause this issue. So if you have a case, then just remove it and try wireless charging. And if you're experiencing the wireless charging turning off randomly, or it stops charging, then note that when your iPhone gets too hot, the wireless charging turns off automatically. So don't use wireless charging when your iPhone is hot, or don't use your iPhone when it's wireless charging. Your issues should be already fixed. But another thing you should always look out for is iOS updates. Always try to stay on the latest updates, as this often includes wireless charging optimization. And that's all. Now you should be able to wirelessly charge your iPhone 17 without any trouble. Let us know if this helped, and stay tuned for more.